What is going on, lovely people on YouTube? In this video, I will be showing you how to sell on Amazon FBA with $500 and with no product research. This video is meant for beginners who want to get some experience with selling products using Amazon FBA. You will make some money following today's video, but you will probably not become an overnight millionaire because that just doesn't happen overnight. However, if you are someone that wants to learn the ropes, get your feet wet, and order a smaller amount of inventory to get started and that you can actually afford before diving completely into this business, then this video is for you. After you watch this, you will be prepared to place a larger amount of inventory with your supplier so you can make thousands of dollars every single month. Without wasting any time, let's dive right in. There is no product research involved in this tutorial. Anyone can do this and start making some money on Amazon.com. So first you want to go to AliExpress.com and in the search bar up here, type in any product that comes to mind. As of right now, I am planning my son's first birthday party and I was looking at Mickey Mouse cake stands. So then I thought about, okay, why not look up mermaid cake stands? We're not gonna have mermaids at our boy's birthday, but this just randomly came to mind. So I'm going to type in mermaid cake stand. For you guys, you want to type in any product that you have in mind. And I'm going to order one product from AliExpress just to check it out and see if I even like the product and get some ideas on how I can improve the product. So I can see a lot of cake stands right here. There is a mermaid cake stand, a cupcake stand that looks something like this. It's for $5.34, super affordable. What I like about starting with AliExpress is that it is super cheap. Anyone can come in here and buy sample products just to check it out, feel the quality before ordering in bulk on Alibaba.com. You guys all know that Alibaba.com suppliers is where you order in bulk. So let's just have a look here. This one is for $1.83. Okay, I kind of like this one. I want to pick a product that is cheap, that I can afford, so I can start with under $500. So again, anyone can do this, right? I'm sure you guys all have a few $100s, and if you don't, no judgment, don't know what to say. So let's pretend that I am going to order this mermaid cake stand. Now, I may want to order a few more just to check out the other cake stands to see which one I like. But right now I'm just going to, let's pretend I want this one, okay? The one with the tail sticking up. So you want to order one piece, and a quick way to figure out which cake stand you want is just to order a few from AliExpress, like I said, and then choose one from there. By the way, if you guys are new to selling products on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products, just like the one that I am showing you on today's video, then make sure you get my free training for Amazon in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team, and they will walk you through the entire process on how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon that will give you nice profit margins and that will pay you every single month. But before you choose a cake stand on AliExpress, you have to make sure that there is a supplier on Alibaba.com that is manufacturing your product, because if you end up liking your mermaid cake stand, you will have to order in bulk and customize it with improvements and your own logo from your supplier on Alibaba.com. So I'm going to type in mermaid cake stand, the same keywords, and let's see if suppliers are manufacturing my cake stand on Alibaba. Okay, there we go. Look at that. It's so pretty. So right away, within a few seconds, this product popped up and I can source it from Alibaba.com from $1.84 to $2.05. Now, again, depending on the customization and improvements we make to this product, it may cost a little less and it may cost a little more. But this is a really good ballpark. If you are a beginner, you probably heard me say over and over again that your first and second product on Amazon should be a few bucks. If you spend more than a few bucks per unit, then you are increasing your risk and you have a lot more to lose. So I am going to ignore the shipping right here because I'm not ordering one unit from Alibaba, right? I'm ordering in bulk. I'm ordering one unit from AliExpress just to see if I even like the product. So you want to choose a few products that come to mind, order it from AliExpress, wait until it comes in the mail, inspect it, and then you can start thinking of ways on how you want to customize your product. Think of how your logo design will look like. And then once you have all that in mind, you can then order bulk inventory from Alibaba.com. Now, when you order your bulk inventory from Alibaba.com, you are only ordering 200 to 300 units. Again, this is a tutorial for beginners to get your feet wet. I'm not telling you that you will make $1 million tomorrow. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying and what I want you to learn here is to get the hang of talking to suppliers, seeing the full picture, learning the ropes, getting familiar with your Amazon Seller Central account, learning how to ship the products to Amazon's warehouse before you dive into ordering thousands of units. So what you want to do after your sample comes in the mail is to, again, inspect it, see what you like, see what you don't like, design your logo, have that ready. Think of how you want your packaging because you want to package your products as small as possible so you can save money on shipping. So let's do the math here. Let's take out our calculator. And I'm going to order 200 units. I'm going to punch in $1.84 and then multiply that by 200. So typically, if you are an experienced Amazon seller, you guys probably already know that you should order at least 500 to 1,000 units. But since we are all beginners here and we just want to make a bit of money and see how this whole business model works, we will start with 200 units. So that will cost me $3,680 just to purchase 200 units of these from Alibaba.com. And then I can ask the supplier how much would it cost to ship 200 units of these mermaid cake stands to Amazon's warehouse using sea shipping. So there are two options to ship your inventory from your supplier on Alibaba.com in China to the Amazon warehouse in the United States. There's sea shipping and there is air shipping. You want to ask your supplier and get a quote for both and then choose the option that is cheaper. So I don't know how much it costs for me right now because I haven't talked to this supplier, but I am going to guess for 200 units, it's not going to be a lot. I know for certain it's probably going to be like $100 to $200. I'm just estimating that because based on experience, for 200 units that are this small and this light, it's going to be peanuts. So this is how you can sell a low price product on Amazon.com with less than $500. But hold on, it doesn't stop here. Before we pay this supplier to order 200 units from Alibaba.com with our customization and logo on the product, I want to make sure that this product makes money on Amazon because why would we source a product if it doesn't make any money, right? So let's head over to Amazon.com and make sure you guys have your Helium 10 Chrome extension installed up here. Mine is installed. Make sure you have it downloaded so you can follow along. Click on X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Actually, I skipped a step, my bad. Make sure that you type in your keyword right here. Type in mermaid cake stand. So for whatever product that you guys are looking up on AliExpress, Alibaba, and Amazon.com, you type in the same keyword and then you pull up your Helium 10 Chrome extension. If you guys want 20% off Helium 10, then I will put the code right here on the screen. You can get 20% off the beginner platinum plan on Helium 10 so you can use it to run your Amazon FBA business. I will also link this in the YouTube description below. Just click on that website to claim claim 20% off. So I want to sort the revenue from big to small here. I can see that the total revenue is $787,000 for these cake stands. Let's see if that is true. Let's check out these products to make sure that it is a mermaid cake stand. So right here we have Rubbermaid Reveal Spray. Okay, well, that's not a cake stand. Let's remove it. Somehow, when I typed in mermaid cake stand, it included that random Rubbermaid product. It probably picked it up from the keywords mermaid cake stand. I don't know how that happened, but it just did. So anyways, let's look at this. This is sprinkles, mermaid sprinkles. Okay, well, we're not selling sprinkles. We are selling a cake stand. So remove that. And then this is, it's a 12-inch cake turntable cake decorating kit. Okay, not a mermaid cake stand. So we got to remove that. And we want to remove products that are not a mermaid cake stand. This one, it looks like it comes with a few other items. So it's not really a cake stand. Let's just remove that. This one is a cake stand, but it's not a mermaid cake stand. So let's remove that. Remove this. That's not it. Remove this. Wow, there's a lot that don't belong for this keyword mermaid cake stand. So this may be a bad product, but let's just keep going. Remove this. And then finally, there are some mermaid cake stands. So let me just delete all these guys. And then delete this one as well. I don't want to spend too much time on this, so I do apologize. But I just want to explain to you guys why it's so important that we only look at products that are mermaid cake stands, because we want to see how much money the competitors are making. So this one is a bad example. Why is it a bad example? Even though this competitor is making over $14,000 a month in revenue, their price point is very low. So they're selling it for $8.99. That's $9 a unit. You guys should be selling products for over $12 a unit. The only reason why I say that is because I want you guys to have a bigger profit margin. If I sell it for $9, I'm probably making like $2 for every single product sold, and that's not good. But as you can see, there is another seller down here that is selling a mermaid cake stand for $12, $11.99. So this is exactly where we want to be. And same with this one. They are selling this design. Looks like I found this on AliExpress.com as well. If I'm getting that right, I swear I saw it. Was it up here? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Right? So it was listed on AliExpress.com, just something I noticed. Anyways, so this one is going for $10.69. So that's enough competitors for me to look at, to get an idea and ask myself, okay, is there even a chance for me to make any profit if I were to come in here and sell this product? Well, I would say there is a chance, because if we look at this seller, 1, 2, and 3 sellers here, they're all making over $10,000 in revenue per month. So if we think about the profit margin, let's just look at this guy right here. Let's check out the profit margins, because I'm curious too, because for the price point, $11.99 is where we ideally want to be. So let's see how much they are profiting. If we list our cake stand for $11.99, let's see how much we profit. Oops, I opened the wrong one. Go to Helium 10 Chrome extension and click on profitability calculator. Now this will paint us a picture on how much profit it is. So it looks like if the price tag was $11.99, and these are the dimensions, this is the weight. By the way, you can get this information from your supplier on Alibaba.com. And then plug it in here. It says that my profit margin is 19%, and then my net profit is $2.30. Now, obviously, this is a low profit margin, correct? Because if you watched any of my previous product research tutorials, we want to aim for at least 30% profit margin. So is this the winning product that you should be selling on Amazon? No, this is not the winning product. However, like I said, if you want to come in here and make a quick few bucks and learn the ropes of selling on Amazon and just make some money so you familiarize yourself on how this business model works, then this could be a very low risk and easy product to sell on Amazon and make 20% profit. Again, it's not a lot, and I understand that. But what's more important here in today's tutorial is that you know how to source products from Alibaba.com. You know how to talk to suppliers. You get the whole feels on how to customize your product and ship it to the warehouse and all that other good stuff before diving into spending a lot more money on inventory, on the ultimate winning product. If you guys want the complete beginning to end blueprint for how myself and my students find winning products to sell on Amazon that can make you over $10,000 in profits every single month, then make sure you guys get my free Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Click on that free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the very end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will walk you through the entire process on how to find profitable products to sell on Amazon so you can make money over and over again. I hope today's tutorial has helped you guys get started with Amazon FBA. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.